Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be decorating our living room, dining room, and entryway. But before we do, let's talk about this beautiful rug. Please stay tuned. All right, so first things first, this is a Loloy 8x10 rug. It's made out of polypropylene and polyester. As you can see, this rug looks different depending on the angle you walk into the room. So that's what I'm trying to decide. So let's get down a little lower on the floor. It is ivory and gold with pops of gray and taupe. It has some of the same colors that was in my other rug. That gold is a really pretty gold. It doesn't show yellow, although it may look a little yellow on camera. It is a beautiful rug. So I think I'm going to leave it in the living room area. I originally purchased it to go in the dining room area because of the size. I did want a 12 by 15 over in this space or a 10 by 12. So we're going to go ahead and roll the rug up, roll the other rug up, and move it to the dining room a little later. But for now, let's go ahead and remove it. And I just want you to see a better look of the rug in different angles. It looks kind of like it's piled high, but it's not a real high rug, and I absolutely love it. Close up, you can't really tell on camera, but close up it almost looked like a leopard print. And I absolutely love this rug, but I have decided that I'm going to change the direction of the rug because when I enter the house or come from my bedroom, I do want to see the lighter color. So that was the angle from me exiting or coming into the house from the front entrance. I'm going to go ahead and use tape to mark the corners because I want the rug to go in the same place. It is a little bit smaller. The rug that I'm pulling up, I believe it's 8 by 11. So that 1 foot will make a difference. And for now, let's just go ahead and move it, and I'll set it to the side and we'll put it in the dining room later. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'm not going to do much talking in this video. I do have links to almost everything in this room. So I had already vacuumed the sofa off camera probably a week ago, but I have some new furry slippers. They're black and they have been shedding. So I'm just removing any fur that I see on the sofa with this lint roller. All right, so during my last haul, I mentioned that I was on the lookout for this pillow, which is the polka dot pillow, and the iCat pillow, which you'll see later is embroidered. And I have been looking for that pillow in the stores, and I happened to find both of them online in two different stores. So if you haven't seen that haul, I'm going to link it in the description as well as an iCard. I have found them. They have not been delivered yet, so I'm so excited about that. And there's the iCat pillow. So it's in the same color family, and as you can see, that pillow on the sofa does look better turned around. So let's continue decorating. I just wanted to jump in and let you all know that. So I purchased these three vases from Home Goods. As you can see, one of the vases is really tall. And I usually don't use a tall object on coffee tables when they're seating directly across from each other. But in this case, I like it, I love it, and it's going to work. Just going to place these coffee table books along with a decorative ball on the bottom tray. This is the Tom Ford, the Gucci, and the Eagle. I've had these coffee table books for over a year or two, and I did order the Louis Vuitton beige and brown book, so I'll be adding that along with a couple of other ones to the coffee table. So I purchased these decorative boxes from Home Goods, and it's really crazy because they put the pricing on the front of the box, which means I have to try to get it off. Now, this sprayway is working, but it's an extra step that I did not want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this small little entryway into our bedroom, and I'm just keeping it simple. And today I'm wearing my melanated shirt. It's from the Black Creator line at Target. I'll leave a link for it in the description as well. Now over in the entryway, it took me 5 minutes to clean this mirror. It was a lot of buildup on top from them doing the floors, because remember, this is the one thing that I didn't take down, but I got it done. All right, so over here on this credenza, I wanted to go a little bit overboard, a little bit more than what I would usually do. And we're going to start off with this decorative leaf tray. I added the alum. I purchased those from Z Gallery. I do have a link to those. And these beautiful wire mesh balls, I purchased these from Burlington. So I purchased, I believe, 3 gold and 1 silver. I spray painted one of the golds, that beautiful black. And I did also use a link chain in that tray as well. And I'm going to add these beautiful decorative boxes and this butterfly, my Z Gallery vases. I do have links to those as well. We have these 2 crowns. They used to be a different color, and I spray painted them gold. And I'm going to top those crowns off with these beautiful decorative clear balls. It's just going to give this credenza an elegant look to me. I do have links to the decorative crowns. They're actually candle holders, and all you have to do is spray paint them. They are glass if you do like this look. I have links to some similar decorative clear balls as well. All right, everyone, it is candle time. I started my YouTube channel probably 2 years ago, and before I ended my videos, I always lit a candle. And this is the lighter that I would always use, the black one. It's made by Rita, and Rita reached out to me, so they're sponsoring this portion of the video. This lighter is electronic, and it does come with the power cable. All you need to do is plug it into a charger to charge it, and that's it. It does not require batteries. It does have a lock on the bottom of it, but Just like any lighter, you want to keep out of the reach of children. And like I said, I've had my 2 years, no problem. So let's do a giveaway. We're going to do the first 20 people to leave a comment in the comment section. All you have to do is put XO behind your name. You will be entered into a drawing for one of the champagne colored lighters. I'll announce the winner on Sunday. If you want one of the lighters, I do have a discount code and a link, so look for that in the description. And do you see our new light fixture? I absolutely love it. For some reason, I have been so in love with lucite and acrylic and clear glass. As you can see here, I'm loving our new light. All right, so let's start on the dining room. I have to move all of the furniture except the credenza out of the way, hang the curtains, lay down the rug, and move our new art. Yes, new art, because I had 2 of these pieces. I sold one, and we're going to hang this one back up on the wall. The good thing is I did it off camera, but it does fit the same nail holes, so we didn't have to make any more nail holes, and we'll get this area back together. So over here in the dining room, I have really been thinking about turning this area into just a sitting area, taking out the table and the dining chairs and just replacing it with 4 chairs. So that's what I'm doing, kind of seeing how would I like 4 chairs and a round table over in this area, and I'm still undecided. Well, actually, I'm not undecided. I just haven't found the right chairs. Now, with these curtain rods, they used to be a dark brown, and I decided to spray paint them gold. I did not use the curtain rings that came with this curtain rod. They were a lot bigger, which made my curtains touch the floor, and I needed about 1/8 of an inch. So the solution was to either change my curtain rods out with some slimmer curtain rods, which means my curtains would have gone a little bit higher to the ceiling, or to change out my curtain rings. And I decided to change out the curtain rings because I purchased some to go in my bedroom for those lucite or acrylic curtain rods, and I decided not to use them because I chose a different curtain. And I just spray painted them the same gold that I spray painted the curtain rod, and that was my solution. So over here in the dining area, it is a 2-window pane, and I used to have my curtain rod extended past the window to make it appear larger. And that means now, since I have brought my curtain rods in, I need to cut them. So they're wood, I'll be able to cut them. And over here in the living area, I took off one of the extensions, so this is where it landed, and I absolutely love the look. We're seeing more wall now. All right, everyone, I'm going to do a few more things off camera, so be sure you stick around for the rest of the video to see the finished space. Well, the temporary finished space. Remember, we still have to order a few more things for the space. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And don't forget, I will leave links to anything I have access to in the description, as well as the coupon code and link for the candle lighter. So Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on Sunday when we announce the winner of the giveaway.